Hey there, I'm Ivan from ROIABLE, and today we'll cover the SAP IdM migration topic related to dispatchers. This topic is 89 within the core functionalities category. Clicking it will take you to the dedicated slide. Dispatchers are playing a major role in SAP identity management, collecting available objects like jobs, tasks, links, etc., that are ready to be processed and dispatching them to appropriate runtime functions responsible for their execution and maintenance. There are a lot of configurable options like the number of running dispatchers, pooling interval, number of objects to be processed, number of concurrent engines running at the same time, etc. All those provide the needed flexibility and performance based on the customer-specific landscape and requirements. Basic but powerful, they do their job on the OS level, where they can benefit from the operating system built-in functionality. This dependency, however, sometimes limits the available options for supported OS implementations. The dispatchers are also responsible for housekeeping procedures. For example, access reconciling, values expiration, old values, orphans, and work maintenance. Load distribution is possible by configuring several runtime engines with one dispatcher on different servers. The drawbacks of this configuration are as follows. Complicated traceability. The work files are stored in different locations, e.g. where the runtime is installed. Additional configuration of shared store for input and output files is needed. Encryption keys must exist in all runtime locations and should be the same. In the context of cloud implementations with heterogeneous environments, a more fluid implementation will be needed to meet the constantly growing requirements for flexibility, scalability, and performance. Prioritizing the task execution, parallel provisioning, optimization of the execution queue, management, and better auditing are the topics that should be extend the existing level of implementation. Debugging options are another direction in which the dispatchers can be extended because of the constant growing process complexity, which is consequence of the new topics implementation mentioned above. Do not forget the housekeeping procedures. Some of them are database stored procedures and can be migrated relatively easy if proper database has been selected. Others are built in Java, so they will require replacement either using the new IAM built-in functionalities or scripting implementation. Since control over the server location is complex in a cloud environment, standard ways for implementing load distribution should be considered based on the cloud provider. While implementing this new approach, don't forget to solve the drawbacks mentioned above, which exist in the current implementation. This is all from my side on the dispatchers topic for today. Feel free to comment on the challenges you are facing with this topic during your SAP IdM migrations. Don't forget to check on our social media channels for the full release of the ROIABLE SAP IdM migration guidelines. And remember, plan your migration properly. Knowledge, experience, and creativity are the cornerstones for successful migration. See you next time.